Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a glute and core focused Pilates routine for you. I'm joined here again by the lovely Grace today, and she'll be demonstrating all the beginner options. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab a mat and let's get started. We're going to start on our backs here. Knees bent, legs hip distance, back of the neck long and shoulders resting in the mat. Hands by your side. Take a breath in, and then exhale, tuck your pubic bone to your belly button and roll the hips up into a bridge. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, curl up. Inhale, curl down rib by rib, vertebra by vertebra, and then curling back up. Just moving in and out of your bridge here with a nice curl to mobilize the spine and gently start engaging the glutes in the back of the legs. Keeping your shoulders in the mat, trying not to lift them. Pushing the kneecaps away from you as you lift the hips. Last one, lifting up, hold. Go ahead and lift your heels up, keeping your hips high. Option to keep the heels lifted if you prefer. Then exhale, open your right knee out to the side. Inhale, close. Exhale, open the left. Inhale, close. Alternately opening and closing each leg with the option to have the heels lifted or lowered. And trying to keep your pelvis stable as you rotate. So as you open to the right, keeping the left pelvis stable. Last two on each side here. Last one. Then keep the hips lifted, lower the heels. Keeping your thighs parallel, inhale, extend your right leg long. Exhale, lower back down. Other side, inhale, extend your left leg. Exhale, lower. Inhale, extend. Exhale, lower. Keep moving here, alternating sides each time. Option to lift and lower just the heel only instead of lifting the entire leg. And with either movement, keeping your hips lifted, keeping them stable, and a nice gentle landing of the foot back to the mat. Nice and controlled. Last one on each side. Keep the hips lifted, hold. And then lower the hips down. Check that you have your neutral spine here, a little bit of space between your back and the mat. Then lift your right leg to tabletop. Lift the left leg to tabletop. Inhale, lower the right toes to the floor. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower the left toes to the mat. Exhale, lift. Moving in and out of your tabletop here, one leg lowering and lifting at a time. And keeping that pelvis stable still, keeping the shoulders relaxed. So option here to lift and lower the leg from the floor rather than from tabletop. Let's do one more on each side. Keep your legs in tabletop. Bring your hands behind your head, interlacing your fingers to really support your neck here. Inhale, breath in, and exhale, lift your chest up, bringing ribs to pelvis. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Option here to do these with your feet down rather than lifted in tabletop. And trying to keep that little bit of space under your low back. Last three. 2, 1, hold this lift and coming into little pulses up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your chest lifted here. Bring your hands away from your neck and to your left knee. Push into your thigh here. Then exhale, extend your right leg away from you. Inhale in. Exhale, extend. Inhale in. moving in and out of that one leg stretch. Option here to keep one leg down, just moving the other leg in and out with the hands still on your head. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay in your chest lift and tabletop. Bring your hands over to your right knee this time. Exhale, extend your left leg long. Inhale back in. Exhale, extend. Inhale in. So again, option to keep one leg lowered here and just extending and bending your tabletop leg with your hands still supporting your head and your chest lift if you can. Last 5. Keep your gaze forward, core engaged, spine neutral. Last 2. Back to tabletop, lower the chest down and bring the knees into your chest. Giving yourself a nice little hug here. Very nice. Then reach the arms and legs long, fingers and toes reaching in opposite directions, getting a nice stretch through your abdomen. We're going to come into a roll up here with straight legs. Option to bend them as you come up if you like. Taking a deep breath in, reaching the arms and legs long, and then exhale, arms and head lift, curling your spine up to come to seated, and inhale, stack your spine tall. From here, swing your legs around and come onto hands and knees, finding your neutral spine, long line between the top of the head and the tailbone. Brace into your hands, and then exhale, bend your right knee and lift your toes up to the sky. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift, really squeezing your glute. Keeping your navel drawing up throughout the movement, stable through the shoulders. Let's do 5 more. Getting some extension in your hip as you reach up. Last 2. Hold the leg up and little pulses here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Hold the leg lifted. Extend the leg long. Bring the right foot slightly to your left side and tap the floor just by your left foot. Exhale, lift your right leg and bring your right knee to your right elbow. Inhale, extend, tapping just behind your left foot. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to elbow. Option to just lift and lower the leg with the leg straight if you like. Last 3, 2, 1. Reach the leg long, hold that leg extended, and then lower the leg down, coming back to hands and knees to repeat on the other side. Pushing into your hands, make sure you have your neutral spine, bend your left knee, and exhale, bring your left foot to the sky. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Getting a nice squeeze in your glutes here. Extending the hip, spine neutral. Back of the neck long. Last 2. Hold the leg lifted and little pulses here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Really squeeze that glute. Last 3, 2, 1. Hold the left leg lifted. Extend the leg long. Option here to stick with your leg lifts. Otherwise, tap the mat just behind your right foot. And then exhale, bring your left knee to left elbow. Inhale, extend, tap the floor. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend, tap. Exhale, knee to elbow. Trying to stay strong through your upper body, engaging your core to stay stable through your trunk. Last one. Hold the leg extended, hold that lift, and then lower the left foot down, coming back to hands and knees, and then pushing yourself back into a child's pose. Deep breath here, forehead resting on the mat. And when you're ready, come up to a seated position, bringing your right foot over your left thigh and rotating to your right, hugging the knee into your chest. Option to extend your bottom leg if you feel a bit cramped with both knees bent. And breathing into this stretch. Go ahead and switch the legs around, bringing the left foot over the right thigh, rotating to your left. Option to have the right leg straight this time. And staying tall through your spine as you rotate, trying not to hunch back in this position. One more breath. And then come into a comfortable cross-legged position. Inhale, reach both arms up to the sky. And exhale, let it go. And you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this core and glute focus routine. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you'd like more routines like this. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.